We're chasing llamas.
Running of the llamas. Take 2.
That one doesn't like us.
That's the guard llama. Don't come at me, I didn't run at you.
Under that stanky too.
Dude, get down.
No more. We out. We he doesn't want to let us out.
Oh, yeah. He's okay if he puts his ears back and comes.
Oh. He doesn't want to let us out.
That's the mean one. He's the one that guards the rest.
Electric or no?
No. Let's go in between right here.
That's what I'm planning on. I'm on Junior here.